afternoon, everyone. I think that many of you have heard about the book Around the World in 80 Days, but few of you know what can happen at the construction site within 80 days. Today is day 80, when construction of the Design Bureau is reaching quite spectacular heights. Today is the day when mounting of the last column of testing and industrial complex is finished, and only 6 axes of administrative and technical building are to be built. No further comment is necessary, I'm sure. You will be shown the work which cameraman will be able to shoot, and then we will show you some footage from air which will be able to show you in quite a spectacular and artistic way what we have reached in 80 days. Have a good time viewing all of that.